Hey guys, for another video, welcome guys. Today, we got my uncle again, tour guide. He's awesome. He knows everything about this island. Well, today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're going to an exquisite, amazing, beautiful location. It's a gorgeous day, no clouds in the sky, so we must do this today. And that's Lagoa Do Fogo. Lagoa Do Fogo is in the center of the island. Lagoa Do Fogo in English is Lake of Fire. It is an extinct volcanic crater, and there's a beautiful big body of water there, a lake, and we'll be flying drones and capturing that for you today. We're also going to venture off into some other little cities around Lagoa Do Fogo, so stay tuned. Obviously we're going to have lunch, obviously we're going to have some beer, and obviously we're going to show you some good times here in Sao Miguel Azores, Portugal. So let's get to it right now.
Flight crew, please prepare for takeoff.
Okay, so we're halfway up the mountain to Lagoa Do Fogo, and we decided to stop at a very popular location. It's called Caldeira Velha, which is pretty much what that means. It's well, everybody knows what a caldera is. It's a hot spring, but it's an old one, so you can actually go swimming in it. It's not truly that hot where it's going to kill you. But also, I just want to point out this view here. Right there, that little village down there, you see, this is on the northern tip of the island. That's Beira Ground. Gorgeous day, beautiful view also. So let's go see this, let's go check out this Caldeira Velha, where you can go. We're not going to go swimming. No, we're not going to do that today. Either I could, but today is more like, let's get to the point and let's record a good video for you guys. So you don't want to see me in a Speedo anyways. Absolutely stunning, all this greenery. So now Sao Miguel is actually called the Green Island also, because everything is always green here. As you can see, all this lush greenery. It is always damp. The trees, the leaves, there's always dampness to it. Obviously it's surrounded by ocean, and that's why everything's always green. Now, believe it or not, this is winter. In the summertime, a lot of these flower. So hydrangeas is a huge, very popular flower for the island. Hydrangeas grows like a weed here, believe it or not. So let's keep walking. We're almost there at the old Caldeira Velha. So right behind me here is the main source of hot water. This is the actual real caldera. You don't go swimming in this one because it's really hot, but there's a little stream that comes right off it and flows into these little pools where you can go swimming. I guess there's some sort of mixture of cold water going in there, so, but look, it's so cool. Now when I was younger, I used to swim in this one, but now this one is actually cold now. What had happened is my uncle said that there's geothermal heating for the electricity for this island. So what had happened is when they were drilling into the mountain to get some, obviously some steam for electricity, it affected the temperature of this caldera here. Now it's obviously cooler, so, but they've created the other ones that you just saw, but I used to go swimming in this guy here. Awesome stuff. We've reached the top of, right to the Lagoa Do Fogo, and what you see all the way down there, which is about 900 meters above sea level, that's Beira Ground, the main city, well, one of the main cities. So right behind this camera is something totally amazing, and I'm going to show you. Let's talk a little bit about it first. The last eruption was 1563. Right behind you is Lagoa Do Fogo, and let's have some fun with the drone. So guys, there's Lagoa Do Fogo, absolutely stunning. And you know something, I've been here many times, and no matter what, no matter how many times I come to the Azores, this is always a staple location for you to come visit. As I mentioned before, this is like an old crater. It's filled up obviously with water. It's about 90 meters deep, the water. We're about almost 900 meters from the sea level. Last eruption was in 1563. And there's some remnants we're going to go see in a little village, an old water fountain. You still see a lot of the lava rock around it. Yes, Lagoa Do Fogo. And if you're Portuguese and you're from Sao Miguel, you've been here. I know you have. Anyways, hope to come have you guys visit this beautiful part of the island. So my uncle insists that we climb to the top of Pico Barrosa, which is the highest peak in the center of the island. The actual highest part of the island is Pico Barrosa, which we probably won't go there today. No, but that's the highest point of the island. This might be the second highest. Whew. So literally all the antennas for the island are right here. Holy, I guess telecommunications, TVs, and I'm out of shape. We're going walking. Maybe there's not enough oxygen up here. TT, no oxygen over here. I can't breathe. Yeah, we need a beer. My uncle says I didn't bring the beer. That's the problem. Woo! We just made it to the top of Pico Barrosa. And the view, I don't even know if this camera's even doing justice, guys. There, you see the northern end of the island, the ocean on the north side of the island. Go through the island. The south, there's the ocean on the south. On the south end here, we're seeing all these cities. We have Punta Delgada down there, Lagoa, Sao Miguel is down there. Some beautiful cities, and obviously Punta Delgada you've probably seen already. It's right there. On this side here, on the north side, we have Ribeira Grande right there, which is a secondary city, where we were shooting that drone footage. We were down there. That's where we were. And now we're at the top. And obviously you can tell we're at a very high point. When you see these antennas, obviously this is their main communication here on top of this mountain. The fog or clouds are starting to move in over the Lagoa Do Fogo, which you see down here. So obviously if we were down there, we didn't see that, but I guess at this altitude, the clouds want to whip us out. So it looks really good. Wow, a beautiful view. Seriously, guys, I don't even know if these cameras are even going to capture what I'm seeing right now. To be quite honest with you, I've been here, I don't know, 20, 25 times, 30 times, and I've never been at this point. I've always been at that first point. Never at this point that I'm at right now. So this is breathtaking. Like, it's just phenomenal. Like, the view is just crazy. My uncle keeps showing me different viewpoints off this this mountain we're on. Like, Titi, like, seriously, this video is gonna be like 2 hours long with just us on top of this mountain. Hey, look at this view. Wow. I bet you many, even the people who do come here to the Azores, if you are Portuguese and you are from the Azores, Sao Miguel, I bet you many of you have not been on this point. On this side of the island, obviously, Lagoa Do Fogo is right there again. And this might be hard to see. Right down there is Vila Franca, okay? It's another major city. That's the one with the little island just off the coast that you can go swimming in. So we're gonna go venture down there too one day. But okay, I gotta get off this mountain. This video is gonna be too long. Oh, what a view. Oh my God. Hey guys, so we got off the mountain. We did. I convinced my uncle that I was hungry. So we're at this restaurant called Calura, okay? And it's in Água de Pau, which is right at the water. What gorgeous spot. Now, what you see here is also, there is like it's like almost a small little fishing village. So you see these boats here. They actually go out, catch the fish. Now, a lot of that fish is sold to this restaurant that we're right here, and we're gonna have some fresh swordfish I'm gonna eat today. Yes, so this is gonna be exciting. Stick around. Let's. I just ordered my beer too, Portuguese beer, in a caneca, which is a big bear mug. Okay, can't wait to show you the food. Okay, this swordfish looks so fresh. And I actually asked the waitress, I go, when was this swordfish caught? It was caught last night in the ocean. It was caught last night and brought to the restaurant this morning. And then now it's on my plate, going in my belly. This is gonna be fantastic. Oh my God, I cannot wait till I try this. Here it is right here, guys. Oh my God. Just melts in your mouth. Absolutely stunning. And a big delicacy in Portuguese is very simple. Just boiled potatoes. You keep the skin on too, so it's good. I need another piece of swordfish. Oh my God. Now, something I've also noticed here in the Azores is they very support their Portuguese branded beer. So we're having, obviously, again, Sagres. The three big ones here on the island is Especial, Superbock, and Sagres. Is their three beers. There is no big tap filled with like 20 beers like we have in, you know, North America from beers around the world. It's pretty much they support their Portuguese branded beer, and that's what we're drinking. Very good. Anyways, guys, I'm going to eat. See you later. So we just left that restaurant, which was totally delicious, guys. Absolutely stunning. And I just want to, my uncle brought me to this viewpoint here so we can actually get a bird's eye view of that restaurant we were at. It's just down in there. Let me see if I can get my camera in there somewhat. I don't feel like flying the drone right now, but I'll show you. Let me see. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. It's hard to get the restaurant, but that's where we ate lunch down there. What a view though. How high we are right now. What's going on, Fred? So we are here at Praia de Agua de... Which one?
Agua de Alto.
Praia de Agua de Alto. Let's throw the drone up in the air. Let's throw the drone up in the air. Let's do this.